Hey guys, how are you? So I've decided to make a series of basic SFX makeup since many of you guys were really curious about. This series will be divided into 3 parts: beginner, intermediate and advanced. And I'll make sure I make every video in details. And in this video we are just gonna make a simple cut on my arm. And for that you guys will need scar wax, and you can even buy it or you can make it at home. But I'm gonna put tutorial for that as well. But before we get into the video, don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can get notified whenever I post something, and let's go. To make scar wax, I'm using Vaseline and normal flour, and I'm gonna mix them well. You guys can add your basic foundation in this so the painting procedure will be easier. And there you go. I'm gonna make fake blood, and for that you guys need water, chocolate powder and red food color. Mix it well and then you are done. And now let's get started. I'm applying Vaseline first, and please make sure the edges are blended well. I'm making a simple cut. You guys can give any shape you want. Get rid of the extra scar wax and blend. Now let's start painting. I'm using yellow water-based body paint, and I'm not using any brush cause I'm more comfortable like this. Use a sharp thing to give it a good shape, and please be careful, you don't actually wanna cut yourself. I'm applying normal powder cause I don't want this cut to look shiny. You might need to use it again. Just added a really small amount of purple to make it look more realistic. Now I'm applying red color, and final step, blood. Never add too much blood on your wound, especially outside. It will look fake and messy. And there you go. So that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and also if you guys have any suggestion and any questions, please let me know in the comments.